that is an example of the turning circle of a 4-engine bomber. Or, well, that doesn't look like a bomber. It looks like a 4-engine Hercules cargo plane. I had worried that the British Air Force was getting rid of all the Hercules, but by incredible irony, this happened just when I was shooting a video about the Vickers, the Wellington bomber, twin-engine bomber of 1941. And can you see it from here? No. It's unfortunately out of sight. The bombing I'll have to put this in pause. So here we have, that's the bomber target indicator down there, visible from the road, and then the watchtower beside it. Strangely, the original story was that the watchtower was to watch for enemy submarines off the coast. But, well, you could be there with a pair of binoculars looking for U-boats, but yeah, if whatever you're looking at isn't making any movement or whatever, you'd have a hell of a job trying to see what it was, even with binoculars. So anyway, there is the target indicator, and if you look up there, the Maleficent Tower. Yeah, the Scottish Highlands and Islands right there. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like, follow, and subscribe.